morning and welcome to Master Brain Mathematics. My name is Marlies. So today we are going to have a look at composite functions. Now that is a topic that is usually covered in grade 11 or in the IGCSE Year 2 curriculum. So let's have a look at what is a composite function. Well, normally we have our individual functions that are given to us, for example, your fx and your gx. Now, if they ask you to determine the composite function, you literally are going to determine from there the f of gx. Now, what does that mean? Like if, for example, you were given fx and they ask you now to calculate f2, for example, what you were going to do is that you are going to take that 2 and literally substitute it into the place of x within the fx function. You will simplify and determine the answer. So in a similar way, your composite function is literally, in this case, taking the whole of your gx function or expression and substituting it as a whole into the x term within the fx expression or function. So let's look at a practical example of how this would work. Say, for example, they give us that fx is equal to 2x minus 1 and your gx is equal to x minus 2. Question is to determine the composite function of these two. So that means we want to determine the f of gx, which means we want to determine the f of, and gx is x minus 2 in this case. So that literally means substituting the whole expression of x minus 2 into the x term, into the fx function. So that means that we will have the x minus 2 in the place of x, and we will just have the constant term as well there of the fx function. Now we just simplify, and that means we multiply the 2 into the bracket. We will get 2x minus 4 minus 1, which leaves us with 2x minus 5. And that is our composite function. If they now further would maybe ask us to determine f g6, you are simply now going to substitute the 6 into the new composite function in place of the x term. In this case, it would mean you will have 2 times the 6 minus 5, which gives you 12 minus 5. And you are left with 7. And there you go. That is composite functions. How to do it? Literally taking the second expression or function given and substituting it as a whole into the x term of the first given function, or the fx function in this case. Simplifying, and you get to your answer. That is it for today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.